29 October 2012, 2 million.
You deposited 2 million on the 29th of October 2012. That is reflected in the statement?
Yes.
You have evidence of that deposit?
Yes.
My Lord, we have a cash deposit slip of 29th of October 2012 of 2 million. Do you have any other evidence to show any other amount deposited?
Yes.
When?
Same date 29, 2012. I deposited again 2 million.
You deposited again 2 million. So do you have that evidence?
Yes.
My Lord, the two cash deposits of 2 million, yes, as number 6 and 7 in our list of documents filed in the court on the 24th of November 2023.
Anasema ati nimeiba mtoto, alikuwa anazunguka kila mahali na kuenda kwa mashule.
Okay.
Now also I would like to request hizi properties kama nipewe, nirudishiwe, na nikirudishiwa kama kuna attempt nayo koti nisaidie nifanyiwe transfer. Tumejaribu kuuza C11 na niliweka kwa gazeti, aliweka kwa gazeti. Plot. Alikuwa anauza 1.2
kwa kutupatie